trimmer, which is what I normally use. You can use a guillotine, but you'll need to fix your greyboard down firmly before you cut it. Or you can use a craft knife and a ruler with a metal edge. This is the preferred way for me. I like to use a paper trimmer. I use an older blade that's still sharp, but it now feathers paper when it cuts. So it's not quite ready for the bin yet, and it's perfect for cutting this. I'll pop that in there. This is the Greyboard, and this one is 2mm thick, you see along there. So I'm going to place it in our trimmer, and we're going to cut it 6 inches. Place it in, hold it firmly, go straight up and down. Take your Greyboard out and turn it straight over so that this cutting line will be on there. Go back, line it up to 6, straight up and down, and there you have a perfect